Now we're going to show you what you can find in your Dell Adamo XPS package together with this machine. As you already saw, first, of course, the very thin and light laptop Dell Adamo, and this additional box is in a bigger box where this Dell was. In it you will find first the battery. The battery now is on the laptop itself. You can see this very beautiful cloth for cleaning the machine. The screen you will find very nice and very light. Actually, it's very compact and light AC charger, and the cables for it. In this box you can also find, well, here first of all we have user manual, instruction manual, very nice, small and compact again. This is a DVD for reinstallation of your operating system. As you can see, it's written Windows 7 Home Premium 64 bits. And okay, this is very cool. As you already saw, the ports are not that many on this thin and light machine, and you have two USB ports, audio jack, AC jack for plugging the power cord, and if you want to use your machine with a cable internet or just with a LAN connection, you can make this with very unusual but very interesting connection between a LAN cable and one USB port. And in this package you will also find this cable that transfers your DVI port for your HD multimedia into a DVI port. Your display port turns into a DVI port. If you have such a connector, you can use it, or you can use just the DVI port. Okay, all this in this very nice Dell Adamo package. This is Adamo XPS, the thinnest notebook in the world for now. We'll see what is coming on the market in next months and in next years, but what we can expect is that computers are going to be thinner and thinner with every new model. So see you in our next video. Laptop.bg is the website where you can find more information about Dell Adamo XPS.